My name is Jessica Taylor, and I serve as the Director of Recruiting and Scholarships for the Office of Recruitment, K-12 Outreach and Scholarship. We have the best jobs in the whole entire world. We're focused on creating a pipeline of future engineers for our college. I started working for the college as soon as I finished grad school, and it was so much fun to work for a college that I graduated in. It's so neat to just see how we've been able to scale up our recruiting and outreach and scholarship efforts.
Since we first started, I think my responsibilities have grown. I've really taken a lot of pride into making sure everybody feels that Auburn Engineering love. The tiny pieces of mail can mean the most to an individual who gets it. If you're a kindergartner receiving a postcard from our office, all the way up to a transfer student learning more about the resources we have.
I never thought that we would be able to take Sydney's vision, for example, of creating a Future Engineers Club and create a viral video.
I had anticipated maybe 75 to 200 students being involved in that. But once the video hit, we had 3,000 students in 2 days register. So once they register for that coloring book or for that Future Engineer Club, they are now in our recruiting system. They get a bi-monthly do-it-yourself engineering activity in the mail addressed to them. We do that every single year with them, and then once they reach ninth grade, they get a graduation certificate from the Future Engineer Club, and then they get introduced to Andrew McGill, which is our recruiter.
So to understand Auburn, I always point to the Auburn Creed. That's the easiest way for me to tell people, like, hey, this is what, if you do choose to come here, this is what you're going to embody. This is what our students and our faculty, staff, our alumni stand by. At the engineering level, I always just talk about how our engineering community is going to be more collaborative as opposed to being competitive like you might find other places.
This all wouldn't be possible without the team, and we have the best team. I think it's pretty impressive the amount of work that we're able to accomplish and how we're able to reach these students.
We talk all the time about the best student-centered engineering experience, and that's a real thing. That's not just some cheesy slogan that we have. Every meeting that we're a part of, anytime we're planning something, that's kind of what we're focusing on.
We're recruiting all these students to be an Auburn engineer, and one day they will be.